Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin is here and I want to show you what is inside. This is the April 2020 My Wonderful Family kit. Ooh, pretty ribbon right off the bat, I see. And Pear Pizzazz is our ink spot. Let's show off the stamp. Ooh, look at this. Okay, we've got a really cute tree. Look at how cute that tree is. Happy Mother's Day, Mom, son, brother, daughter, dad, sister. Awesome. To my wonderful brother, dad, mom, sister. I'm glad you are my family. I'll always be here for you. Happy Father's Day. You got mother and father. Family, where life begins and love never ends. What a great stamp set. Okay, this is a stamp set that you're going to need. You're going to keep this forever. This is a great stamp set. We don't have a lot of sentiments with brother and sister and that. So this kind of encompasses your family. This, I love that just for the stamp set. Okay, this is an advertisement for next month's Paper Pumpkin kit. And in next month's kit, we're going to see the new Stampin' Up! In colors. You know, the catalog comes out in June. And so there will be 5 new colors for in color. And this is going to reveal that. All right, let's check out the kit. Oh, look how cute. Okay. So we've got some glue dots, of course, some little pearls in 2 different colors, some dimensionals. I love looking at the envelopes. See how cute those are? Cute envelopes. This looks like the background. Let's get that picture out. Okay, this is the background of here. All right, then we've got some card bases, some little embellishments. Look how sweet. Butterflies and birds, some tags for our sentiments, surely. Ooh, look at this. This is a fun fold. Oh, how cute. Okay, this is a fun fold card, something different, a different fold in our kits. That's really cute. And then we've got some embellishments. You can't really see the green on green, but this is branches and more little tags, and here's a tree. So this is an adorable kit. Seriously adorable. And you know, I get a bunch of these every month, and I sell them normally at my card buffet. I keep them out. We're allowed to sell certain things cash and carry, and this is one of them. And because we're in this quarantine, I am not having card buffet, so I didn't order as many as I normally do of this. So I only have a few. Let me know if you want one. I'll check on the website in a few days and see if there's a way to get more. This is so cute, and the stamp set is so unique. You're going to want it for that. So adorable. Love it. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope that you like it. Don't forget, if you order by the 10th of each month, then you don't have to worry about me running out of my kits, because you're going to get your own right to your mailbox. Order by the 10th of each month, subscribe, or you can do prepaid kits, or you can do month to month. And here is a sneak peek of what's coming. Now, you can't really see much in here. All you're going to know is that it's going to focus on new colors. So that is awesome. So this is for May. So you have to subscribe for this by May 10th. Otherwise, you'll be on to the next one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.